And an AEG.
Loser.
Sorry.
Okay, there's no sound, but it's still recording. Alright. Okay, where did Dalton go?
They went left. Yeah. Down that hill.
Alright. Colton to the point.
Oh, okay.
One coming up a road. See him?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna move right and try to move down the hill. Come on, let's go.
Move behind you, Dion.
Good, you're good. Alright, dude, got me? Hold on. I'm done.
Is that it?
Yep.
You got him?
No. Got him. Yes, yeah.
He's friendly. Alright, Dion, see him moving down? On the right? There might be some in that shed or moving to the shed. That you were in?
Where?
Stay low.
Hey, I'm gonna help left.
Colton, stay with the team. Colton, stay with the team.
Oh, this thing just got good. Someone get for the G.
Alright, cool. Cool.
Hey, can I get some help over here? What do you need?
Stay low, Dominic. Stay low.
Stay low. Where that?
Got a couple of guys at White House.
Dion, shed. Dominic, shed, back there over the right. You see him? To the bushes? They're coming. Yeah, they're coming. Here's propane.
Yeah, he's still over there.
Yeah, I see him, but I'm just saying. I'm looking on your right.
Watch left.
There you go. We still have some friendlies over there.
We need him on the left! Come, Jacob, get over here! Jacob! What? We need him on the left! One.
Go ahead. Hey, we got right.
Correct, more.
What?
Screaming back.
Oh, there's someone moving up. Is he hit? Yeah, I got him.
Up at the bar.
Hey, you see him? You see him? Hey, far back, far back. I can't hit him from that far away. He's up there by White House. That's a friendly on the right, though. See what I'm talking about? Getting pushed pretty hard.
He's falling back.
What?
He's falling back.
Dion, you mind if I move up? Just to that little, where Dominic was? What? Alright.
Where are they coming from?
Now what's down by the block? In the trench. Throwing them with pistol.
Hey, by the White House!
Hey, jump on the other side of this log right here. Get behind this second set of logs.
I'm gonna do.
They ain't got no range on you right
That's never got this skill. He's got range actually.
You got range, you can't see. I'm standing wide open. If you see you, it shot me already.
Hey, is that Butters? Hey.
Hit a little shack to the right.
Hey, there's a guy sitting beside the shack, too.
Yep.
Hold that left side! How many more minutes?
4.
Yeah, long fire. I'll be the only one on the street. I don't have any ammo. I'll be up there.
Hey, left. Huh? Somebody else hit him, but yeah, I shot at him and hit him. They hit him before I did, though.
There's one right up there. Back up.
You watching right, Dion? I can watch left and I'll warn you if somebody's coming.
They got a guy coming. Yeah, they got a guy coming from that side.
Dominic!
They got a Joe. They got a. Ah! Hey!
Missed him. Actually, I think I just hit him.
Hey, everybody's down on the left. Hey, we need some guys left.
Hold here, Colton.
What?
Hold here.
I'm not moving, but... Dominic, keep walking left, will you? Hop up here beside me.
Yeah, Dominic, get right here.
Where you are?
Right here. You gotta hold here, Carl. Look that way.
Under 3 minutes! Under 3!
Dominic, walk left for a second. I gotta... We're good. Good. Hey! He was looking straight at me. Did I hit him? No, I didn't. He's right there. He's up there. Look at him. You see him?
Pull him up, man.
He saw me. Oh, hey. Hit.
Look that way.
Dion.
Yeah, I'm gonna move to the shack.
So there. Get down. There's a guy in the tree.
Contact right!
You got guys coming in from every side. Yeah. Go again. Back up. Don't back up. Hold it. Never back up. Dig in.
Taking shots.
Really? Really?
There was no way.
Really?
Lit him up.
That's it. One more coming. Empty.
Hey, we got them 4 mags.
Dominic.
Down.
Nice.
They kept down.
Stay low. While we hold it here, we'll get it.
Got one come.
Nice.
Took more shots than what expected.
That guy that ran up there on the